plus looting. There's the mana leak, okay. He's tapped out. I say we get rid of Rest in Peace and Spellskite. Another mountain. Blade Splicer plus loot, maybe? And I don't know what I'll loot, so maybe I'll hold off on mana leak. Okay. Actually fine. The more he gets, the more he does those, the less he has for the combo pieces, so I'm gonna hold off on the looting. No, I could play it here with him hard though. Now it might be time to loot. I wonder if he brought in a bunch of counter spells from his sideboard. I don't know what he brings in. Resto Angel here. Billion Click. End step. Okay. Let's see what it takes. Okay. Let me have the Kiki-Jiki. Interesting. I'm gonna run out the Kiki-Jiki. Yeah, it's pretty freaky looking. Imagine if he had a counter engine. He doesn't know I have the resto. No, I drew that. That's why I play the key. Back in gotcha. I gotcha. He has his own resto, okay. Kiki-Jiki. Yeah, buddy. Oh, now he's gonna blink that and then take my take my resto. He didn't want to take my resto. I mean, he's got a counter for it. Alright, well, I'm 99% sure I'm walking into a counterspell here. He would have taken it. And pay a mana leak. Remand. Perfect command. Yep. He's got this one. Oh, he did take my resto and it cycled a new one? That's hilarious. Alright, I'm going to take a little break here.
trap you and they use you before you even know. For love is blind and you're far too kind. Don't ever let it show. I wish that I knew what I know now. When I was younger, I wish that I knew what I know now. When I was stronger, the can-can's such a pretty show to steal your heart away. The backstage back on earth again. The dressing rooms are great. They come on strong and it ain't too long, but I make you feel a man. But love is blind and you soon will find you're just a boy again. When you wanna live, you get a cheek, makes you wonder where you are. If you want some more, then she's fast asleep. Did you twinkling with the stars? For a young grandson, there's nothing I can say. You have to learn just like me, and that's the hardest way. Ooh la la. Ooh la 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 la, yeah. I wish that I knew what I know now. When I was younger, I wish that I knew what I know now. When I was stronger. Life could be so fair, let it go on and on. Octopus for good, you got that cherry bomb. Blow out that cherry bomb.
Yeah, it's funny, Snafu. We took the resto and I got a new one.
We lost it long ago. You and me.
Hey, what do you guys think? How should I tune this deck?
Back from the spirit bar. Brush your teeth for bed. Blow out that cherry bomb. Blow out that.
You can take out Reforge the Soul. You can add a Oblivion Ring, another white enchantment that gets rid of creatures and stuff.
No, it's on your sleeve. No, it's on your sleeve.
Basically the biggest thing is counter spells. Like I'm thinking maybe this needs to be American, white, red, blue. Add some counter spells, but then it's really pushing it. The 3 red mana for the Kiki-Jiki is really tough as it is. I mean, not as it is, it's fine. I've never had a problem with this setup. But yeah, I lose the counter spell decks. Mad Prophet doesn't seem great. Maybe another Outpost Siege instead of that. Bosaiju? That's only non-creature spells though, right? Who shelters all? Yeah. Oh yeah, Cavern of Souls. I would only hit either Kiki or Resto. Angel or Goblin Shaman. 21 bucks? Jeez. Yeah, I might need to add some caverns. I'm not gonna spend money on them right now though. Maybe another white card that gets rid of creatures. Vexing Shusher. Ooh. Yeah. It's only 271. Target spell can't be countered by spells or abilities. Yeah. You need to add some of those.
Bittersweet strawberry marshmallow butterscotch.
MTGO Card Market 1.
Phosphate chocolate. Lime tutti frutti special raspberry, leave it to me.
Yeah, it is.
Scotch, lassie, cherry, smash, lemon freeze.
Oh yeah, I was gonna crack a ticket, or Battle for Zendikar booster on stream here. When I do that